What's the meaning of Beau Brummel? Beau Brummel. Beau Brummel.
Beau Brummel. Beau Brummel. Beau Brummel refers to a man who was very fashionable and stylish, particularly in terms of his clothing. The term originates from the nickname of George Brian Beau Brummel, 1778 to 1840, an English gentleman and fashion icon known for his impeccable sense of style and taste. Brummel was famous for introducing the modern men's suit, which emphasized simplicity, elegance, and fit. He also popularized the use of neckties, highly polished shoes, and elaborate grooming routines. Even today, the term Beau Brummel is often used to describe men who are well-dressed, charming, cultured, and socially adept.